Autofocus is working. Hey, let's check out the new project. Today we're gonna build a bathroom vanity. And we're gonna start right here on the miter saw. We're gonna cut a bunch of 1x4 poplar to 36 inches to make 4 legs. But first, we gotta open a new tool. Now I know a lot of people already have this, but I don't. But now I've got one. Here I'm showing how I glued up one of the posts, but I actually made 4. And I glued all 4 of them on the same rack all at one time. When they were dry, took them out. Since I don't have a planer, I had to trim them up on the table saw and cut them to dimension. But I do have this really nice sander that I could put a good finish on them. Now these are the times I wish I was about 2 inches taller, or had a larger wingspan. A lot of good the safety glasses are doing right now. I cut it into chunks that are manageable so I can get it on my crosscut sled. I'm getting ready to install this wrong. So here's what the other woodworking channels won't show you. The mistake. This inside panel was supposed to come all the way down to here, but someone had the wrong measurement. Added this piece right here, but it's not going to be a problem because this joint will be hidden by a shelf. Use a 1/4 inch rabbiting bit. It's going to take the back in the back. So glad I'm showing you how I do this drop cut and all this nice jigsaw work and sanding, because the creative director didn't like it and we're going to take it off. I have 2 of these small handheld routers, and I always keep a 1/4 round in one and a V-groove in the other. I band the dividers and the top stretcher because they're all going to be exposed. So I'm setting this all up so I can install the drawer hardware before the box is put together. The drawer area is just too small to get a screw gun inside before it's put together. Made some dovetail drawers out of some Baltic birch plywood I had laying around. and 1/2-inch dado for the bottom. Made some shaker doors and drawer faces. I made some 1/8-inch stock so I could use it for an applied molding on the doors and panels. But they didn't meet the standards of the creative director, and we never ended up using these drawer faces. And the new tool. This is where I get to remove the bottom shelf and redo it to the creative director's specifications. Shot some primer, did some sanding, and sprayed finish in the really hard to get places. And then I got to reinstall the bottom shelf. Once I installed the panel and nailed it off, I did do another coat of finish and filled in all the nail holes. If you're interested in any of the hardware or the tools we use, check in the comments down below for all the links. When you leave the back off, it's really easy to install the hinges and make them accurate. Eventually, this is going to get a quartzite stone top, but that's not happening until we put it into the condo. Now you know I don't pick this stuff out. but I do get to install it. So we're making room in the shop with all these other cabinets. Hope you enjoyed this. Give us a like and a subscribe, and watch all our videos. See you soon.